Sanibona bafethu uvani lo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngani na? Ngizokhuluma ngani Bafana Bafana. iBafana Bafana, they are currently representing South Africa. Njengoba nje berepresent South Africa, we all saw the first game lapho khona singabanga khona nama-results amahle. Lapho khona sishawe khona ngo-2-0 sishawa iMexico, who are the part of the host nations akhona ku-World Cup. So bengasiyona igame right bafethu. So igroup A njengoba niyibona nje bafethu, Mexico number 1, masukuthi-ke South Korea ibe number 2, Czech Republic number 3, masukuthi-ke Bafana Bafana ibe number 4. Yabo, the results esiwatholile first game bengekho mahle, but-ke we have to look forward and we have to go forward. There are 2 remaining games we have to play. We are going to play against the Czech Republic the next game sobe sidlala le Atlanta Georgia, mase kuthi-ke umdlalo wokugcina sobe siwudlala neSouth Korea. Isikhathi-ke saleyo game leso sithanda ukuba tricky if you are living here in South Africa, because ngizwile nje kuthiwa leyo game izobe idlala ngo-3 AM. If ufuna ukuyibuka ngempela leyo game kumele ulale ekuseni uzuvuke le entatha ukuze-ke uzokwazi-ke uyibuke kahle leyo game une-energy yonke. So leyo game izobalulekile ngendlela eyisimanga, because we all know that South Korea akusiyona team yokudlala. South Korea is a very, very good team. I saw them playing against the Czech Republic. Czech Republic, what I can say about leya team lesodlala nayo, leya team leyani Czech Republic, i-team ongakwazi-ke ishayeke. But let me start with South Korea. Yabo, let me start analyzing more about South Korea. South Korea is a very, very good team. Yabo, they are a very, very good side. But what I noticed about South Korea, I watched their game against the Czech Republic. Maybe I may be wrong. Maybe you can tell me in the comments what is your take regarding South Korea. But I saw the way South Korea ibidlala khona. They are very, very good. They know how to play ibhola ilihamba phansi. They are playing like South Africa when they are playing into serious. Siyayazi Bafana Bafana uma idlala into serious idlala kanjani. Bayakwazi ukudlala ibhola phansi. Hugo Bros, I don't know what happened with the tactics awakhethile ukuthi-ke sidlale ngale ndlela edlala ngakhona, but Bafana Bafana uma isidlala ibhola iyakwazi ukuthi-ke ilibeke phansi ibhola idlale. So Bafana Bafana neSouth Korea ngasho ukuthi-ke yabo vele ngokoma level baphezulu kunathi, but if that we bring our A game on that game, maybe we can come out with a point or even 3 points against South Korea. What I noticed about them is that they are not a physical team. Each and every player in the South Korean side abekho physical. Only Kim Min Jae, that defender edlalele Bayern, who I saw ukuthi maybe but naye he's not that physical. He's not a player ongasho ukuthi hayi lo angasinikeza inkinga emuva, angabavalo oSwinaphulisa, angabavalo Morem. No, he's not the player who can do that. Yabo, what I know and what I like about Bafana Bafana, I saw how physical they can get. They were physical with this Mexican side. They were too physical, which is something engakwazi ukuthi-ke isebenzele against the South Korea. Yes, we know how to play football, but sinaso strength. Yabo, sinaso strength, which is something engasebenzela. But yeah, we have to minimize our mistakes angalidela kumanye ama-red cards. You saw Sithole getting a red card. You saw Themba Zwane ebenathempa washaya umuntu ngempama. Yabo, but-ke ngizwile abajida kuthiwa bazothola i-1 match ban. We might see them against South Korea sitting on the bench. Maybe they won't play. Asazi Hugo Bros, but Hugo Bros, he's a very, very big fan of Sithole. Maybe you might see Sithole starting against South Korea. Ngengazi-ke kuma-comments, maybe ungangitshela regarding Sithole. Do you think Sithole must come back with Bafana Bafana, or because mina ngokwami I think Sithole the last tournament he played good for Bafana Bafana. It was that AFCON we had back in 2024. Ever since 2024, Sithole hasn't been the same Sithole we know. Yabo. So going forward, next game is we are going to play against the Czech Republic. Guys, Czech Republic is, how can I put this? I think this is their first World Cup. As it is their first World Cup, I'm not disputing the fact that they don't have top players. They do have top players. They have Souček, who is playing for West Ham in that midfield. They have Sofal. I don't know if Sofal or Kufal. That player was playing for West Ham last season, but currently the player is playing in Germany, playing for a team called Hoffenheim or something. That team. So they have good players, and Patrick Schick at the top. He's a very, very good striker who can give us problems. So they have tall players who are more physical. But when it comes to football, I don't think they know how to play football. They qualified for FIFA World Cup, but I don't think they are good enough to be at that stage of football. I don't think they are good enough to be at the World Cup. I'm not saying this because I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about. I've seen European countries coming to the FIFA World Cup. Yesterday I saw Turkey playing against Australia. Yesterday I saw Turkey playing against Australia. I don't think Turkey are also good enough. They played very, very good, but for a World Cup, I don't think those guys they knew what was at stake. You see, I don't think they knew. Same as Canada. Canada is another team. Maybe you can put Bafana Bafana in the same basket of those teams who don't really show like they knew that World Cup was coming. Because Bafana Bafana guys, truth be told, if Bafana Bafana they were ready, ngaba siyibonanga lento esiyibonile against iMexico. Lento esiyibona against iMexico ngaba siyibonanga. If Hugo Bros managed to analyze Mexico and analyze our side and see and pick the correct players that are going to do the job. Because I don't think Hugo Bros even watches some of Sole's matches back in Portugal. I don't think he does. I don't think he watches some of Sole's matches back in Portugal. If he does watches his matches, ngabe mhlambe lento le esiyibonile against yona inina iMexico asiyibonanga. But back to the team okuyinina okuyi-Czechia. I don't think that team is good enough, guys. I think Bafana Bafana can get a full 3 points in that game. I saw South Korea turning up against that team in the second half. If you watched that match, I woke up around 4 o'clock and watched that match full. I was looking for the players as Bafana Bafana King, and I saw that there is no player in the Czech Republic who is going to give us problems. But there is one thing I've noticed. We have short defenders. As we do have short defenders, the only thing the analyst must go and do right now as we are speaking, look for the tall players who are going to start for Bafana Bafana. I know some tall players. I know Ndamane is tall. I know Talented Bata is tall. I know Evidence Mahopa is tall. I know who is this guy? Ime Ocon is tall too. Even maybe Makanya. I don't think Makanya would. Yabo. But we need to have a player like Umbegezile Mpokazi too in that game. So mina ngokwami, I would put Umbegezile Mpokazi as a left back. Hear me out. Ningazi nizongixeka kakhulu. I would put Umbegezile Mpokazi as a left back mase ngibeka uNdamane as left center back. Yabo. Mase ukuthi lapha ka right sidlale sibani na. Pretty hard to it would be pretty hard to make this decision because umjito ube negame emnandi kakhulu last game. But ngibeke another top defender kubani na. I-defend lead Ime Ocon nayo Ime Ocon ube negame emnandi last game. Yabo. But ke we need i-height this time. Mase ukuthi ke ka left sibe bani na sibe noMudau. Yabo. I think that is a nice setup of defenders right there. That is a nice setup of defenders. But ke wena ungangitshela mina ngokwami ukudlala nje ibhola phansi. Ukudlala nje ibhola phansi abajida bayakwazi ukudlala ibhola phansi. Singabashaya labo. Singaqalisi ama midfielders nama defenders kuphela. Siyawadinga nama attackers. Moremi Osuna Police. Morena Relebohile Mfokeng. You have a set of players who know how to dribble, who know how to speed. Uma sesenze lokho bangaswisa bathola ama red card, bathola ama yellow card. Singayiwina amnandi game kalula. It's easy like that to win in this World Cup. I don't understand why it hard for Hugo Bros to do into easy. easy against this Mexican side. I don't understand, Gembel. You saw Brazil yesterday. You saw Brazil playing against Morocco. Morocco were there to compete. They fielded an 18-year-old player. They fielded an 18-year-old player against Brazil who was playing in that midfield. He was 14 4 years ago watching Morocco playing against Portugal. But he played against Brazil, an 18-year-old player. 18. We are still saying Mfukeng, who is 21 years old currently, he's not good enough to play for Ibafana Bafana. Are we serious? When he will be good enough to play for Ibafana Bafana? He was selected. Why don't you select players who are good enough then? Select players who are good enough. You cannot say he's not good enough then just leave it like that. You selected him. There was a reason behind selecting him. You cannot select him and choose not to play him. It goes back to the thing. Lapho kana selector khona abadlali. We selected Abo Chandra Campbell, Abo Tylon Smith. They didn't play. We are seeing the same thing right now. I don't know why I'm getting angry, but hey guys, ngisenalo ithemba. Ngingangitshela wena ama comments ungabe usenalo yini ithemba. Mina think singakwazi ke siphume kuma group stages.